The vowel sounds. The English alphabet has 5 vowels, A, E, I, O, and U, but it has about 15 main vowel sounds. For some learners, this is one of the most difficult aspects of American English to master. Speakers of languages which have fewer vowel sounds are likely to speak English using only the same number of sounds that exist in their native language. Sometimes they do not even hear the distinction between certain sounds in English. Consequently, non-native speakers might pronounce hill and heel the same. Similarly, the words sell and sail, cup, cop, and cap may also sound the same when spoken by a non-native speaker. The main vowel sounds of American English. Number 1, E.
Read, heat, meet, seat, seen, feet. Please eat the meat and the cheese before you leave.
Number 2, it. In, bit, this, give, sister, will, city. My sister Linda will live in the big city. Number 3, A.
Late, gate, bait, fail, main, braid, wait. Jane's face looks great for her age of 88.
Number 4, let, get, end, any, fell, bread, men, said. I went to Texas for my friend's wedding. Number 5,
Last, apple, add, can, answer, class. The handsome man lost his baggage after his travels.
Number 6, stop, lock, farm, want, army, possible, got. John is positive that his car was parked in that lot. Number 7,
Come, up, jump, but, does, love, money, about. Your younger brother doesn't trust us, does he?
Number 8, all, fall, author, also, applaud, thought, fought. Paula was doing laundry all day long. Number 9,
Go, slow, so, those, post, moment, drove. Oh no, don't open the window, it's cold.
Number 10, look, took, put, foot, full, wolf, cookie. He would read the good book if he could. Number 11. Oo.
Cool. Soup. Moon. Boot. Tooth. Move. True. Sue knew about the food in the room.
Number 12. Her. Work. Sure. First. Early. Were. Earn. Occur. What were the first words that girl learned? Number 13. I.
Time. 9. Dry. High. Style. 5. China. I advise you to ride a bicycle in China.
Number 14. Ow. South. House. Cow. Found. Down. Town. He went out of the house for about an hour. Number 15. Oi.
Oil. Choice. Moist. Enjoy. Avoid. Voice. Let's avoid the annoying noise.
Production of vowels. We categorize vowels as front, middle, or back, depending on which part of the tongue is used to produce the sound. For example, E is a front vowel because the front part of the tongue goes up in front of the mouth. And Oo is a back vowel because the back part of the tongue goes up in the back part of the mouth. We also categorize vowels as high or low. In high vowels, the tongue is pushed up higher near the roof of the mouth, as in E, and in low vowels, the tongue is flat down at the bottom of the mouth, as in ah. Diphthongs consist of two different vowel sounds that are closely joined together and treated as one vowel. They are represented by two phonetic symbols. To create these sounds, move your tongue smoothly from one vowel position to another. The following vowels are diphthongs: A as in take, O as in boat, I as in time, ow as in house, and oi as in boy. You will now learn how to correctly produce each of the vowels.